Hey there! If you want to set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot on your Motorola phone so you can share the internet to other devices in times of need, let me show you how to enable hotspot on your Moto. We're using the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this will work on any other Moto series phone like E.g. Stylus or Razr running on Android 15. So first, to set up hotspot on your Motorola, let's open up settings. From there, go to the network and internet option to hotspot and tethering. Now first enter the Wi-Fi hotspot option to set it up. At first, you'll see the hotspot built-in name provided by Moto in here. If you want, you can change it to something that's more recognizable and easy to find. Press OK. Secondly, make sure Hide My Device option is turned off. You can also make it hidden and then manually search for it, whatever you want. Next, go to Security. And it's recommended to select the second option, which is more compatible with most of the devices. Now go to hotspot password after that, and it's better if you change it to something that's easier to type in. Press OK. Now, if you value compatibility over speed, you can keep it turned on. Otherwise, you can disable it. You can go down and check out the other settings like Manage Devices, to device limit, like how many devices can be connected at the time. And finally, in timeout settings, and here you can set the time limit after which your mobile hotspot will automatically turn off. And to enable hotspot, just enable the Use Wi-Fi Hotspot feature. And of course, make sure your mobile data is turned on. Now to share the hotspot to other devices, whatever device you are using, open up the internet and Wi-Fi settings. And if hotspot is enabled on your Moto, the name will pop up in the available networks list. You can either scan the QR code on your Moto to connect with the hotspot, or if it's not working for you, you can just tap on the hotspot name on your other device, put down the password, and then just press connect. That's all. And that's how you can enable mobile hotspot on any of your Motorola phone. Thanks for watching.